Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can upload your files onto your Squarespace site, so let's get right into it. Now, there are a couple of different ways, and I'll be showing you all the ways that I know of, so let's start with the first one, and that is uploading assets. Assets are, of course, items or files which you'll be using when constructing your site, such as images, audio files, videos, etc., etc. Now, if I go into assets, this will open up your asset library, and as you'll see, my asset library has a couple of images that I've gotten from the actual asset library of Squarespace itself, and I do apologize for my phone going off, but yeah, you can add those, or you can upload your own by just clicking upload in the top right, or if it's empty, you'll be able to upload from here. If you click upload, you'll just get a prompt to select files from your computer, and that is it. Another option you have is whenever you edit your site. For example, if I edit this page, if you add blocks and add images, audio, or text, or images, audio, or videos, you can just click on them and upload files from there. Again, just click upload file, and then you'll be able to upload from your computer directly, or you can select from library and access your asset library from here, and then click there and add those images. You can also go ahead, I'll just exit without saving. You can also go ahead and go to your pages menu, and then you can go ahead and create an unlinked page. For example, click link, and here you can add a file. If you select the file link, click here to upload, or if you already have uploaded files, you can select them, and then you can just go ahead and upload from your computer as well. And that is basically all you need to know. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.